How to delete search history on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First launch YouTube app on your phone. Now tap search icon at top right and you will find all your search history. To delete all the search history, tap profile at bottom right. Navigate to gear icon at top right and you will see your data in YouTube. Tap to open it. Now you will land on your data in YouTube section where you have to scroll down and navigate to YouTube search history section. Tap on manage your YouTube search history option and after that you will land on this interface where you will see delete option. Tap delete and tap delete all time. To confirm, tap delete at bottom right and now tap on got it. Now go back to YouTube application and then go back to your home screen. You simply need to refresh the speed and when you tap on the search icon at top right, you will no longer see the search history. So here we go. We have deleted search history on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.